what is up guys, Ivan here. Welcome to the first episode of 2020 of our CLC free watchlist. We hope you had a great New Year's Eve and Christmas holidays. And this is the first episode of the new year. We want to start with a big update on our trade on Australian dollar, US dollar that bring good profit to us this week, especially on the free Telegram channel. So really happy about this setup. We will talk about Euro Australian dollar because after our free analysis that we shared with you yesterday on our free Telegram channel and on our website, the price has made some interesting movement, and for us this could be a great opportunity. Later we will talk about Euro Japanese yen, only to talk about our entries, and in the last part of this video, we will talk about the dollar index, a quick update on the possible price section. But now let's start with Australian dollar, US dollar. We are on the 1 hour time frame, guys, and we can see clearly our entry point that you can find also on our free Telegram channel in the weekly PDF that we share on Monday morning. We can see here that the price after the weekly opening immediately find the strength to go higher here and perfectly touch our entry point below this bearish trend line, and from this point we can see that the price start here this slow movement to the downside that during the night perfectly touch our take profit, and this setup has give us a good 60 pips profit. And the reason behind this trade you can find on the weekly PDF in the free Telegram channel, and you can find the link below this video to join this channel. For me it's a strong and service for everybody, so join now this free Telegram channel. But this trade give us first of all this good profit, but bring the price to touch here 0.6830 just above this bullish trend line. And going on the 4 hour time frame here, we can see that we share this setup with our students on the CLC Trading Academy this morning here, because the price last week breaks here this flag here. We can see that the price moved inside this flag, but just before the weekly closing, the last weekly closing, the price started this new bearish movement that break this flag and start this new bearish movement that during the night touched this key level. But looking at the bigger picture on the daily time frame, we can see here that the price in the last weeks has reached this strong support area here around 0.6685, fail to go lower, and from this point start a new bullish movement that here completely break this daily bearish trend line and this key level 0.69. And we can see that after this break the price start this second bullish phase, and here the price has give us a big bullish signal where the price has closed above this key level 0.70. But after this strong bullish signal, the price fail to go higher, form this bearish engulfing candle, and from this point start a massive bearish movement that bring it here to touch this area. And we can see that around 0.6830 we have this bullish trend line on the daily time frame and this broken bearish trend line, so critical area. And we suggest to our students to look carefully at the price section here, because this could be a great example of our main strategy. And we can see that the price for the moment has perfectly follow this analysis and has already give us around 25 pips profit. But now we need to watch carefully the price action here, guys, because if after this clear break and retest of this area, the price will find the strength to go higher and start a new bullish phase, a clear break above 0.69 and this resistance area just above this key level will be a huge bullish signal that could bring the price to a new bullish phase. For me personally, my next target is 0.70 if the price will confirm a rebound from this area. So if you are looking for a new opportunity on this pair after the big short of the last 2 days, we need a clear confirm a reaction of this area first of all, and a clear daily closing above 0.69 and this slowdown area will be a huge signal and a final confirm for a second bullish phase. We hope that you take this short trade on the 4-hour time frame, because we share this setup perfectly on the free Telegram channel. After this break, we expect a new test. We can see that the price perfectly follow our analysis, and after this break start a small correction, another touch of this 200 period MA, and from this point new strong bearish movement. Here, guys, we can see that this morning the price has just made a cross dead, so the 50 period MA crossed this 200 period MA, so huge, one of the strongest bearish signal in the market, and we are now around 20 pips profit, so really good because we have just moved the stop loss to the break even. So now we need to watch if the price will confirm this break, but looking here, guys, we can see that we have a strong second bearish trend line. So if you are thinking about a possible entry, you need to wait a clear break of this bearish trend line before thinking about an entry. But for now, guys, watch carefully the price action in this area, because on bigger time frame we have a lot of confluences and bullish signal. We need only to watch if the price will follow this analysis, will find the strength for a second bullish phase, because a clear reaction of this area could also give us a great entry point. So guys, after this short trade, watch carefully the price action here, because we have the opportunity to catch this new bullish movement at the lowest point possible. We hope you have made some good profit on this trade, guys. And now we can watch the next one. Okay, Euro, Australian dollar, strong related with the previous analysis just made on Australian dollar, US dollar. We shared yesterday on our website and in our free Telegram channel a new free analysis, and we can see that the price has perfectly followed this analysis, because we can see that here in the last days the price has formed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 doji candle without a clear direction, and obviously this price action it's not good for traders, because we don't have any clear opportunity. But we can see that yesterday the price find the strength to start this new bullish movement and perfectly touch again the key level 1.62. As explained in my in my free analysis here, I expect a new touch of this area, and a clear reaction could bring the price to a new bearish phase. But a clear break for me was the right signal for a new correction, deeper correction around this key level 1.6250 and this bearish trend line. And today the price has partially followed this analysis, because we can see that here the price tried to go higher, failed to pass 1.6230, and now the price has formed these big upper shadows. So this could be the first signal of a new reaction, because we can see also that the price here, using Fibonacci from the beginning of this last bearish phase, we can see that the price has perfectly touched this Fibonacci retracement 7-1, so strong confirm, because for now we have a clear reaction candle, big upper shadow fail to pass a key level, and a perfect test of this Fibonacci retracement. So on the daily time frame, we have a strong bearish pressure that could bring the price to a new bearish phase, and also this analysis perfectly follow the price section on Australian dollar, US dollar, because as you know very well, Australian dollar, US dollar and Euro Australian dollar are negative correlated. So if the Australian dollar will find the strength for a new bullish phase, this could be a strong bearish signal for the price action here on Euro Australian dollar. So on the daily time frame, we have a big confirm for this setup, and going on the 4-hour time frame here, we can see a clear situation, because here the price find the strength to go higher and finally break this lateral channel, but we can see that the price here has formed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 doji candle. This is like a shooting star. This morning, yesterday evening, find the strength to break this key level, but failed to pass here 1.6230. This morning the price try again to go higher, but form another shooting star candle after the touch of 1.6227, and another big signal that the price is forming a bearish engulfing candle that bring the price back below 1.62 and also break this mini bullish trend line. So this could be a massive bearish signal, guys. So for the moment, watch really careful the price action in this area, because if the price will break and will confirm the break of this bullish trend line and the key level 1.62, for me this could be a massive bearish signal and also give us a great entry point for a small short trade with target around 1.6150. But if the price will pass this area where we had these two MA, 50 period and 200 period MA, the key level 1.6150 and this bullish trend line, a daily closing below this area could bring the price to a massive collapse to reach the key level 1.60. To be very transparent, guys, I'm waiting for a clear touch of 1.60 from 4 months now. So I'm still looking for a potential entry point, because we can see that the price has already touched many times the key level 1.63, but has failed to go higher. So this is a clear signal that the price for the moment has not the strength to go higher and to form a new low, new high above 1.63. And also the strong news and analysis on the Australian dollar has made me think that for me the bearish scenario is the best for Euro Australian dollar, especially on the bigger time frame. So today we need to watch carefully the price action in this area, waiting for a clear break, because this could be a strong bearish signal and also give us a great entry point from the highest point possible. And for this trade we need a clear break on the 4-hour time frame, a daily confirm of this break, and also, guys, watch really careful the correlation with the Australian dollar, because with a big movement we can catch two possible trades, one long on Australian dollar US dollar and a short trade from 1.62 on Euro Australian dollar. So watch really careful the price action on these two pairs, guys, because we have a big opportunity. Many of you guys on our social network ask about this entry on Euro Japanese yen, because it seems that all the market take the same trade on Euro Japanese yen. So I want to explain why we take this short trade, and to watch really careful the reason behind this entry, we need to go on the daily time frame. And we can see that the price here in the last weeks has formed this big flag that bring the price here to touch 2 times 122.50, fail to go higher, and obviously this create a strong resistance area, also because the price has already reacted this area in the last month here. So I explain to our student that I expect another touch of this area to form a possible triple top before the next bearish phase. And we can see that the price, just after this touch, form a big upper shadow, clear signal that the price was not ready to go higher. But the price in the next 2 days has formed small bullish candle that bring the price to touch 122.90. And with our student, we have found this entry area around 123, so we expect a spike to the upside before the next bearish phase, and we use the clear touch of 122.85 as an entry point before the next bearish phase. So very simple entry and strategy behind this trade. But looking at the 4-hour time frame, you can see clearly why everybody on the market has taken this trade on Euro Japanese yen, because we can see that the price here has formed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 upper shadows. So clear signal that the price was not ready to go higher, and after this clear reaction, the price start a new bearish phase that bring the price around 80 pips in profit now. So this is only an example that you need to read correctly the market, because this obviously was a clear signal if you know the meaning of every candle, and these upper shadows and these candles here was a big bearish signal. Obviously, the price has not given us a clear signal, bearish signal for an entry, but obviously if you know the market and if you learn how to read exactly every meaning for every candlestick, you can take a similar entry to this one. So for the moment, guys, a quick bonus to you, the price is around just below this 50 period MA, and a clear reaction of this MA could give you a second entry point if you want to take this risky entry. So watch for a possible break retest of this area where we had also 122.15, a strong resistance area, because a clear reaction here could give us and could give you a great second entry point before the next bearish phase. And here we have the final one, dollar index on the daily time frame. Really simple analysis, guys. And if you don't know, guys, I start my weekly PDF always with the dollar index and the euro index, because for me DXY is one of the strongest analysis you can make on the daily and weekly time frame, because obviously the price action on the dollar index impact every pair with the US dollar. So if you want an advice from me, during the weekend, start your analysis with the dollar index. And we can see here that the price in the last weeks started this strong bullish movement, and here we can see that the price give us strong bearish signals, because the price here, using Fibonacci, we can see a clear reaction of this Fibonacci retracement 7-1, reaction of these 2 MAs, 50 period MA, 200 period MA. So I expect a new bearish phase, but we can see that after this small correction, the price, after the touch of this slowdown area around 9.7, immediately find the strength to go higher and start a new bullish movement that completely break this resistance area and the 2 MA. The price after this break here failed to go higher, but yesterday the price try to go lower and start a new bearish phase. But for me, this could be a clear example of a break and retest, because we can see that the price failed to go higher, find the strength for a break, strong break of this resistance area, and yesterday the price come back to test this area, but failed to go lower and form a big lower shadow. So now guys, we need to carefully watch the price action on the dollar index on the daily time frame, because another reaction of this area and another closing above this bearish trend line will be a huge bullish signal that could bring the price to a new movement, bullish movement, to touch 98.30. So for the moment guys, watch really careful the price action on the daily time frame. So it's done guys, this is all for my and for our free watch list. We hope you had made some good profit on Australian dollar, US dollar, because this setup was so perfect entry point. You need only to take this trade when the price touch our entry point completely for free. So we are really happy to share setup with you for free to helping you make some good profit. Now it's time to watch really careful again Australian dollar, US dollar for a second opportunity. Euro Australian dollar, because a clear reaction could give us a final confirm and a big opportunity, and watch really careful the price action here on the dollar index to have a clear vision for all the pair with the US dollar. So this is our free watch list. We hope you have found some value in this video. If you find some good content, please leave us a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, because in the next weeks and months we will have some new service available here on YouTube. I leave you the link for the free Telegram channel and for our social network below this video, so join now our free Telegram channel. You can find some free content, analysis, market news, and a free PDF every weekend. In this case, the free PDF that we shared 3 days ago has bring our student around 60 pips profit completely free. So thank you again for watching this video, and we wish you a good day from CLC Trading.